Once upon a time, a man was walking through an elephant camp. He noticed that the elephants weren't being held by chains or kept in cages. All that was restraining them was a small rope tied to one of their legs. Curious, the man asked the trainer why the elephants didn't break free from the rope. The trainer explained, "When they are very young and much smaller, we use the same size rope to tie them. At that age, it's enough to hold them. As they grow, they are conditioned to believe they can't break away. They think the rope is still strong enough to hold them, so they never try to escape." The man was amazed. These powerful animals could easily break free but were stuck because of a belief they developed in the past. Moral of the story: don't let your past failures or limitations hold you back. Believe in your potential, and don't be afraid to try again. You are stronger than you think.